Y'all, it's Julie. I just wanted to pop on and tell you about our fridge smarts. As you know, fridge smarts keep your produce and things fresher for longer in the fridge. But if you have pets like I do, one of the things I do with my fridge smart is I have this one here that has bananas in it. My bunny gets a half a banana a day. She loves it. She thinks it's the best treat ever. And this banana here has been in here for almost a week and a half. And these bananas I put in yesterday. As you can see, not too much difference. And I put them in here. I keep it on sealed, so no venting. And I just keep it on my counter, and that keeps my bunny's bananas fresh. Then in this other one, I have, Macintosh apples, and these have been in here for almost 3 weeks, and they look as good as when I bought them. Unfortunately, I did not get to go apple picking this year because of the bad crop with the apples, but hopefully next year I did still get my Macintoshes though. So just think FridgeSmart for your pet food. I usually keep the greens for our bearded dragon and one in our fridge as well. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'd be glad to talk FridgeSmart with you. Thanks, guys.